Hi, my name is Hili Zavaro. Today I will show you how to prepare a digital pinboard, a board with many notes, photos, and elements students can post on a shared pinboard for the whole class to see and collaborate. This is a public example. Here you can see students that explain different things using pictures, explanations, links, and notes. This is a pinboard with pictures or ads students prepared and then uploaded. Ads to different cities. This is a pinboard that shows students that write different sentences with different words that the teacher taught. This is a pinboard, a Linoit, with different things students write about their family. So they practice some writing skills. So the first thing you want to do is go to linoit.com and then you want to sign up. When you sign up, you need to write your username, password, email address. When you're done, you can just log in to your account. And once you log in, you'll be able to see all your pinboards and your Linoit boards here. And to start a new one, click on Create a New Canvas right here. The first thing you will need to do is name it. For example, introduce yourself, or perhaps summer vacation. Then you want to choose the background. You have different backgrounds. So let's say we want to use the regular one. You can also upload an image here from your computer or use solid colors. Next thing you want to do is adjust the settings here, and you want to do show stickies. You want to do everyone may post stickies, so your students can post stickies. And then you want to here make sure that you don't leave list on public canvases, because if you use student pictures, everyone will be able to see them. So uncheck this box, but make sure you have this, allow guests to post stickies, and allow others. No, don't do this one. This one do not check, but make sure you have this one checked. Allow guests to post stickies, so your student can post stickies. These are the most important things. You don't need the rest. You don't need to notification. You don't need to show this on the doc, or perhaps you can do it. That will be easier for you to find it. And then you don't want to use create sticky via email, because you want them to go into the Linoit board. So the most important thing for you to remember is to check this box, allow guests to post, and show this canvas on doc. And then you click create a canvas. You'll be directed to your new canvas, and then you can see that immediately students can just post notes. These are different notes. And you can also change the background color of your note, the font size here, and the color of the font. So these are really nice. That's pretty much it. Then you click post. So how do you upload a picture? Well, you take this picture icon and you can just upload a photo from here, choose file, and then students can choose a file on their computer, let's say this one, and simply upload. Then they click post. And that's just a picture. But what if we want them to upload a picture and say something about the picture? Then we need to teach them to add a frame to the picture. So this is how we do it. We drag the picture icon, we click choose file, and let's say we choose this file or this file. And then we go to frame, type frame, and we tick this box, frame. Again, it's type, frame. And now we have a box and we can write something about the picture. So let's say we wrote some introduction. This is my home. We live in Tel Aviv. I like to play computer games, and I also like to play with my little brother. When I'm done, you just click, students just click post. And then you have it. You have a picture with the post-it notes. Eventually, everyone will be able to add their notes, and you'll be able to see them on the board. So how do we add a video? Let's say you want students to choose a video from YouTube and upload to their Linoit. So what you do is, this is what it looks like. You click play and you'll be able to play it. And stop. You can also stop it from here, and you can also move it around. So what you do is you go to this is the video icon. You drag it, and here you simply paste the link. You can do share, copy the link from YouTube, or just copy it from the address bar at the top. You come back to your Linoit board and you paste the link, then you click post, and it's posted. And then we have two videos here. Let's say your students wrote a composition on a Word document. You can upload Word documents. Just click on this icon, the paper clip, and then click choose file, and your students or you will need to just upload the composition. Then you can write, this is my composition, and then you click post, and the file is added to the Linoit board. So how do you send this to students after you prepare this? And I always recommend preparing a note of a model note, an example first, and then send this to students. So what I recommend is doing the note. Then in order to send this, you click on the little I here, information, and then you just copy this URL address, this one right here. You copy and you send this to students, so they'll be able to access it from home and add their own notes. Okay. You can also do it if you are using Zoom or any synchronic lesson platform, and send this link to students on the chat. Then they'll be able to access the Linoit and add their information. Eventually everyone can see everyone's notes and discuss them, give peer feedback, and say what I liked about it and what suggestions I have for improvement. And every once in a while you're going to need to go in and move the notes around so they don't hide each other, right? So then don't go on top of each other. You may need to organize them because students sometimes won't be able to do it. Then you as the editor will be able to move them around and make them nicer next to each other. Eventually you'll see all your Linoit boards right here on the main page. As you log into your Linoit account, you'll be able to go in and do this again if you need to send this again to students. So that's it. I hope you have many ideas, and good luck.